Come on.
What up?
What you doing? Bella, what you doing? Checking it.
Gone. All right. Since we got the camera out.
And action. So we got scx24s out. Brad's got the Deadbolt stock.
A little off. Yeah, I don't think she's gonna make it on that one. So what happens when you get the camera out?
That's right. Can you stand it?
Come on, for real.
It just went up this like 3 times in a row.
Without even spinning.
Huh? A little bump.
Yeah, for some reason.
All right. One down. Now we've got.
You want to do savings next?
Yeah, we've got the stock scx24 Jeep. Brad's gonna man the helm.
Oh yeah.
Perfect.
So good.
Jeeps are good, aren't they? Give it another go. We all went up this last night, but it has rained.
Come on.
Bad. High.
I was on medium.
Oh, medium.
Medium.
It is weird. We've noticed that the scx24s have a high, low, medium setting in the back of the transmitter, and there's a nice hit. He's got it on low right now, which gives you a long trigger pull without any power really being applied until right at the end. The medium obviously is more, and then the high is like as soon as you pull the trigger, it's got a lot to it already. But the Jeeps don't seem to have enough power in low to pull through. There you go. To pull through big stuff when they get bound up, and the Deadbolt works best on low and still has enough power that. Have you ever had it bind up enough that you had to switch it?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's just what construction do.
And my Jeep has got brass in it, all 4 corners.
Widens it.
It widens it up, yeah.
Right about a 1/2 inch overall, I'd imagine.
Yeah, we'll go over the weight differences and stuff here in a little bit. I got the scale out. Got stuck on that back axle.
That's as close as I've made it.
Yeah, I was gonna say I haven't made it up this today.
Wide open.
Yeah.
This thing would turn.
It doesn't turn. I don't know what's wrong with mine, but it's not because of the brass kit on it. Yeah, it should pull itself up there. Oh yeah, better now. I think that's about as good as you're gonna get out of that thing, yeah. Unfortunately.
Piece of junk.
So you like it?
I like the way it looks with the brass on it, but it doesn't perform like it should, like I thought it would.
I really thought it was gonna do a lot better too. The bridge.
Yeah, and the craziest thing is coming up.
Yeah. Yet to come. Soon.
Oh yeah, slid off. Alright, which one's next? Yours is next.
Put the little tripod up here.
Try if you want.
Yep.
Dude, this thing's a piece of junk.
You don't like it?
No, it doesn't turn. Alright, let's try it again. Try not to get angry. Go. There you go. Slippy. See, yours would have fallen right off.
Past the sea of swirly, twirly gumdrops. Coming up the gauntlet.
Right.
Past the water tower bucket. Oh. Look at that.
Dang, I can't believe I pulled that one out.
That's what she said.
Smooth.
That's right. All right, go hit you another one. Here comes the CRC edition.
Wide axles.
Wide axle Jeep.
No turning.
No turn. Yeah, it doesn't turn. I don't know if it's the ESC or the servo that's already giving trouble on this thing, but
Wide axles. Yeah, and I recommend trimming up your fenders if you put this
kit on.
Yeah.
Yeah, the tires are definitely eating on the body.
This thing is not turning.
It doesn't turn, does it?
Oh.
The back axle gets hung on everything now that it's widened up. I guess they knew what they were doing when they made that thing the width that it is.
Yeah, for real.
Because we all thought that being wider was going to be better, but so far, so bad.
Yeah, well, this is pretty scale stuff.
Yeah.
You see, like right there, though, that's a good spot.
Yeah.
Mine was flipping over right there. That's where we've noticed the brass actually helping out.
Yeah.
Only if you can turn.
Only if it can turn.
There you go.
And all these things do have LED lights on them. Brad's just don't work anymore, and mine are unplugged so that I could get a little more battery life out of it, because it seemed like we all three were out here last night and Brad didn't have lights, and his probably kept going another daggone 15-20 minutes past. It was a long time past. Everybody else was dead and
was already charged up.
Yeah,
again by the time mine was dead.
Finally died. Yeah. Uh-oh. Fender hung. That's another thing about that Deadbolt.
Yep.
It doesn't have fenders on it, so you can't.
It was like better or something.
It is. I really wish. Now, after buying a Jeep, I wish I would have bought a Deadbolt. And the big Kenosha kicker on the Y is this.
Well, yeah. Oh, yeah.
How much?
Come on.
You can pay it.
Put it.
All right, here we go. Incline test. Deadbolt.
We're not messing around here.
Picking up the left front just a little bit.
Where?
It did. Not now.
Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Little man in there just riding it.
Your nose getting in front of your eyes or something. Look at that thing. Wide open. Let's see if we stop. She stopped. He goes.
Stop and go.
She stop and go.
Pennzoil.
Wide open. Detach it. Oh, I messed up.
Yeah, you did.
Whatever. It's better than yours. Let's check.
Chance's Jeep.
Same driver. We didn't switch drivers.
Same driver.
Same different mode. Obviously.
We have a difference. Brass on this one, by the way. All 4 corners.
No.
Offie. Try it again.
Yeah,
just
we'll
for
try
old
it
time's
again,
sake.
and then we'll do the stock one after this. The stock Jeep, that is. My Deadbolt is stock.
Yes.
It won't.
Won't do it.
All right. Stop, JK.
Just kidding.
Where mode is?
Right here.
Transmitter.
You drive.
Hugo. Well, let's put it on low. Dang, a piece of junk. I was wide open.
Oh, I know it. It doesn't. Like I said, it doesn't have a. It doesn't have enough power in low.
Not too much in high and medium.
Too much medium.
Mm.
You gone?
One more time, and then we're gonna do the Deadbolt again.
Very lifty.
Nah, it's stock.
Well,
I will say, I mean, it's not gonna matter when the Deadbolt gets on here, but whenever the back tire gets right there in that little dip,
yeah.
flips right there. But like I say, let's do the Deadbolt, and I'll put the back tire in that spot.
It's crazy how the stock Jeep does better than my Jeep does with weight.
Yeah, it really is.
With brass on the wheels.
Was it like 16 grams or something like that?
I'm actually looking it up as we speak.
See, and right there, see, it starts picking up the front tire because it's in that dip, but then it just keeps on chugging.
Chug-a-lug-a-lug.
Chug-a-lug-a-lug. Little engine that could be. Which that'd be yours. I mean, the Deadbolt.
Stopping?
No problem.
No.
Try to pop a wheel here.
Yeah.
No problem. Transmission? Nope.
Nope. Put the yellow Jeep about halfway up and start it up and see if it'll.
That little piece.
Yeah. See if it'll go. So what I bought off of eBay for the CRC Jeep is an Axial Sxc24 Millstone 4-wheel spacer / weight kit with barrel nuts and sleeves.
Where'd you buy that from?
eBay. It is 28.27 grams altogether.
Stop. See if she'll do it. That's a medium. Oh, I messed it up. She's good.
Brought it back.
You picking up the front? No?
Yeah, it was a little bit, but not much.
Oh.
All right, bring the white Jeep up, I guess.
And then we'll make it a little bit steeper and put them all past that spot.
That kit was $32.99, fast and free shipping. I know it's kind of crappy, but I do have it on my phone. Can't see it. I just can't believe that all that weight down low and it's lifts more than the yellow Jeep does. You know what I mean? And I also tried last night. So I took that Jeep
Oh yeah.
Pulled the body off of it, completely off, and it wouldn't climb as good as the Deadbolt with the body on it. And then I took the brass off the rear, and which brought the axle back in, and just had brass on the front, and it still wouldn't climb as good as the Deadbolt would.
Past the spot.
And so we asked, why is this?
Yeah,
So we figured it out.
some people got mad.
Some
stole my truck and took it inside. But you know, it's all fun and games.
So if you're interested in buying a Deadbolt or a scx24, I don't think either one of them's bad, okay?
No.
Not what I'm saying, because I think it's a really awesome little crawler. But we all like,
and put the JK body on.
yeah, because it's not just the body. We really found out finally after taking it inside. There's a stock Jeep.
Yeah.
That the links on the front, even the center. Look at the front links on the forward link on the. This is the yellow Jeep in his hand, and this is the Deadbolt.
I mean, yeah.
And the stock links up front
Shorter.
are short with a little tiny front drive shaft. There you go. So
I mean, you could obviously tell that the plate there that holds the links are what,
yeah,
quarter-inch.
yeah, more forward than the other one.
It's crazy.
I know this is
The frame's a little different.
the frame is different. This is a CRKT knife just for reference purposes, but I know I could get out an actual measure.
Yeah, the frames are actually bent different. It's more forward.
Yeah, if you look at the side hoop on it, this is the Jeep, and I know with the wheelbase and everything, or the body on it's a little hard to tell, but where the body hoops down is about center of the two wheels, and then on the Deadbolt it's definitely further forward, which gives it
a lot better.
Yeah, the weight's further forward on it all the time because it's got those front short links. Plus it doesn't let the front axle drop out from underneath it as far as this one does, which tilts the body back and tilts the center of gravity backwards when it's trying to uphill. So I haven't found anything honestly that the Jeep can do better than the Deadbolt, and we all like competing against one another, so for us to have something that's not as good as Brad's, and I've wheeled Brad's, and I don't know even the modulation of the Deadbolt for some reason is better than the Jeep is. It's smooth. You can slow it down and speed it up, and just like that. Yeah, the power it has seems to be even better than the Jeep does, or is. Yellow Jeep.
Yellow Jeep. Yellow Jeep.
So like I say, if you're interested in buying a scx24 and you're gonna do so with friends, and you don't want them to mess you up all the time.
If you don't have friends, buy the Jeep.
Yeah, exactly. No friends, Jeep.
Jeep life. See that my tire's not coming
No,
off
it's
the
not
ground.
coming off the ground.
Or the wood, whatever you call it, the incline.
Yeah, it's little short links. It's just not letting the axle drop down and letting it rock back anymore. You want to just push that one up through there?
Probably could.
Hard hit. These things are pretty tough too. Haven't had any problems out of them other than his.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, had the ESC receiver combo went out on it. He lost. What'd you lose? He lost steering with it. That's right.
Steering and the light.
And the lights went out.
The lights still don't work.
And the lights since EC receiver replacement still don't work. So I'm guessing that when the ESC smoked, it also took out the lights, which we've seen.
It didn't actually smoke.
No, it didn't actually smoke. It just stopped. But further forward, motor, transmission. Let's see. Deadbolt's just a little awesome thing. We'll take them up here and weigh them up and catch you on the flip side. Hey, oi.
Come on.
Scale time. Is there a weight difference in the transmitters? He thinks it's funny. 231 grams. Ooh.
Very tippy.
Tip you over. Doesn't even balance good. 228 grams. What was the other one?
I don't know.
Don't even remember, do you? I don't either. 231. It's heavier.
Huh.
That's crazy. I never would have thought that was heavier. And then old heavy girl here, 259, 260. 260 grams with brass on all four corners. So there you have it, kids.
I think it's a piece of junk.
Heavier.
On the front.
Yeah, more forward too, so. 229.
They're the same.
What'd you say?
I mean, they're close.
Yeah, they are. You what, 231?
Yeah, 230.
230.
1
1
gram.
gram difference between the stock Rubicon and the stock Deadbolt. But
Loving it.
loving life. Live, love, laugh. Something like that.
Live, love, crawl.
That's it. We'll catch y'all on the flip side.